Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the mass thrust indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the mass thrust indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. And so to date, we have tested 49 indicators. Now to those 49 indicators, 15 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of these 15 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the mass thrust indicator. It is a TradingView user created indicator. And so of course I will put the link to the indicator below in the description. But basically the creator of this indicator described it as an indicator that is loosely based on the Chan's thrust indicator, the Chan's market thrust indicator. And so it's a pretty simple setup here. It is an oscillating line here, and when the line turns green, that is a signal to go long. When the line turns red, that is a signal to go short. Let me see if I can't bump up. There we go. Bumped up the line weight just a little bit there. And the creator also coded into the indicator that it will change the candle color as the line below here, the indicator, changes color. And so when it turns red, all the candles will go red. When it turns green, all the candles will go green, as long as it's still green. And so pretty simple setup. Like I said, when it goes green, we'll go long. When it goes red, we'll go short. And that is how we are going to trade it today. Put up our stop and take profit there. And alright, let's get on with it here. See what we can get out of this indicator. There is the first signal there. It went green. And that is a winning trade. Not too bad to start off with. Keep moving along here. That is a short signal there. And unfortunately, that would have been a loss. And it gave us a long signal there, which also would have been a loss. Followed by another short signal that also would have been a loss. So not a wonderful start by no means here, but we'll keep on going along here. See if maybe we can get some improvement out of it. There's one thing that I've learned from testing lots of indicators, that is never jump to conclusions until you have reached the end of the time frame in which you're back testing, because sometimes you will be surprised. We're about midway through the year now. It's given us a few more losing trades here, and I think a few winning trades as well. So as I said, it's a little early to count it out. That would have been a winning trade there. So we'll just keep plugging along here and see where we wind up at the end of the year. We are almost to the end of the year now. Let's see if we get any more signals out of it here. Nope. Alright, that is the end of the year there. So it's a little bit of an under trader. Let's count them out here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 signals total, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 winning trades. So unfortunately, that will not meet the 60% requirement that we are looking for to allow this one to move on in the process. It's definitely going to go on the no list. It seemed like it was a really good indicator in the beginning, but then started giving some really weird choppy signals and really delayed signals on other ones, and ultimately it just wasn't able to squeeze out enough trades, winning trades, to make it profitable, may allow it to meet our 60% criteria. So yeah, it's a shame. Like I said, at first glance, it seemed like it was going to do rather well, but once you put the rubber to pavement on this indicator here, it just failed to impress. So yeah, that's it. It's going on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out, so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, Alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.